know that we've been scattered. But he said, don't worry about that. I'm going to give you the treasures of the darkness and the hidden riches of the secret places. All the wealth that he had given unto us was taken away when we got scattered. But he said that we're rich. I know you feel like you're poor, but don't worry about that. You're rich. That thou mayest know that I, the Lord, which called thee by thy name, am the Lord God of Israel. He delivered us out of Egypt the first time, out of bondage. And we're still in the land of our captivity again because we've been scattered. All of the 12 tribes are in the land of their captivity, especially the southern kingdom. Come on. You still there? Hang on. Hold on. My phone's trying to act up a little bit, but I think it's okay. All right. We was in Isaiah 45 and 3. Let's go to Isaiah 45 and 4.